Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will see that how to write a program which finds sum of natural numbers, and you will also understand that how program works. So let's get started. So to understand sum of natural numbers, first understand what are natural numbers. So set of natural numbers are positive whole numbers without zero. That is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And in this program I will first add 4 natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that would be equal to 10. You can extend it. So if you see the program, so first statement is sum is equal to 0. It means sum refers value 0. And the second statement I is equal to 1. It means I refers value 1. And the third statement is while loop. And here while is a compound statement. It means it is not a single statement but group of statements. And other statements are sum is equal to sum plus I and I is equal to I plus 1. And while loop is a main component of this program and it will do the main task. What does it do? It checks whether value of I less than or equal to 4. If it is true, control will enter inside while loop. If it is not true, so control will not enter inside while loop. So to make you understand it very clearly, I have made a table of variables and expressions. So first column is iteration. Second column is I is less than or equal to 4. Third column is sum is equal to sum plus I. And fourth column is I is equal to I plus 1. Now in first iteration, because I is initialized by 1, so it checks that whether I less than or equal to 4 and it is true. So control will enter inside while loop and it will execute the statement sum is equal to sum plus I, which is sum refers 0 plus 1 and finally it will refer 1. Now I 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now in second iteration, I will be checked whether it is less than or equal to 4. Again it is true. So what will happen? Sum is equal to sum plus I will get executed. It means 1 plus 2 and that would be 3. Now I will be incremented by 1 and it will become 3. Now in the third iteration, it would be checked that whether I less than or equal to 4, and because value of I is less than or equal to 4, so that would be true. Now the value of sum is 3 and value of I is 3. So sum will refer 3 plus 3. That would be 6. Now I will get incremented by 1. That is 3 plus 1. So it will become 4. In the fourth iteration, it would be checked that whether 4 is less than or equal to 4 or not. Again, it is true. So control will enter inside while loop, and it will add 6 plus 4, that is the sum is already 6 and the value of I has become 4. So 6 plus 4, that is 10. Now the value of I will get incremented by 1. It is 5. So in the fifth iteration, it would be checked that whether 5 less than or equal to 4. It is false. So now control will not enter inside while loop and control will jump at line number 6 and it is print sum. So the final value of sum will get printed, which is 10. So the final output would be 10, which is the value of sum. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 would be equal to 10. You can also extend for a plus 5 plus 6.